What's up everyone, welcome back, and today we are going to install slotted and drilled rotors on the Nissan 240 here. Also going to show you how to put the brakes on. So here we go with today's episode.
Why didn't you just use those big tags, those extra ones that I had?
The extra brake pads?
Yeah, those extra brake pads.
Because I got brand new ones, and they're warranted, and they're AutoZone, and they're right there.
AutoZone special, son.
What's up, man?
Ready to work in this car?
So there's the rotors once again. Put them on and show you guys now. Here we go. Alright guys, first thing to do, grab the rotors and gotta get some brake cleaner. Brake cleaner. Alright, next step, after you put the rotor on, you're going to want to grab this caliper thing here and you're going to place it back on. Alright guys, so with this piece, you're going to want to put it on just like this. So it's going to go right there. There's two parts in the back with this screw, so you put the screw through the back of it, push it through, get it threaded on. Grab the second one, place it in, and then you'll just tighten that down. I have my brake caliper just sitting over here to the side, so it's out the way. So it's two different sizes. You got 17 up in the back and you got 19 in the front. So this is going to be a 17 and a 14 all the way around for the brake caliper piece itself. So we're going to bolt this on, and then we're going to go ahead and put the brakes on right after.
No.
Alright guys, go ahead and twist that caliper and make it smaller for the new pads. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I know a lot of people may still have questions, and it's okay. See, I just put it on backwards right there. It's crazy how small these stock pads are, but hey, free. Drift, go change them, free. Save money. I can't ball out like other people. Alright guys, so the 14 now. Once again, tighten it a little bit and then do the bottom side so that way it goes on evenly and everything is straight. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and put a wheel spacer on just to show you, and then I'm going to do the rest of the sides and put you guys on a quick time lapse. Alright guys, next to do a wheel spacer, you're going to put the spacer on. Put the nuts on. Snapped it. Have extras. Alright guys, that's how you put a spacer on and drilled rotor. So easy. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'm going to show you the rest but through a time lapse. Here we go.